Hey there, it's Amy Maracle with Mindful Art Studio, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how I make time for art. Some of us think about making art for the first time, or maybe the first time as an adult, and we think, I'm going to paint in oil on a huge canvas and make master paintings. And if I don't, then I'm not a real artist. I want to show you that there's another way to fit art into your life. I've got 7 tips for fitting art into your life.
The first tip is that I work small. This means that in small snippets of time, I can make a lot of progress, which is really satisfying. And then I take those small bits and I can combine them into larger pieces, which is even more satisfying. And you can see how things really build. So I pre-prep materials, and that's really great because that means when I'm ready to create, then I have materials ready to do it with, and they're small and inviting, and so that really works for me. My next trick is that I explore the same thing multiple times, each time in a slightly different way, which is really exciting and fun. And it really helps me to know what I should do. I never really have to question, what should I do next? Next, I use limited materials. And this is a trick that just helps me know exactly what it is I want to do every time I show up to create. And there's not a lot of guessing and being overwhelmed about which material, which supply. My next trick is that I make it fun. I've never really gotten over pop-up books from when I was a kid, and I love pop-ups and doors and windows and flaps and things that move, and that just keeps me interested to keep exploring and trying new things. Another tip that really helps me is that I make it portable. Then I can take it with me and make art in the in-between moments in my life. My last trick is to use small art pieces to build to big art pieces, like this, or this, or even something like this.
All right, so I've got 2 questions for you. First is, what was your favorite idea that I presented in the video for using small art? And 2, what are some other small art ideas that you could contribute in the comments? I hope that you like and subscribe so that you catch every single video, and I can't wait to see what you create. Take care.